Hi everyone. In this session we will discuss about effects of exercise on muscular system. So when you exercise or take parts in any of the sports, your muscles will respond in a variety of ways. Some of these responses are immediate and we will call that as an acute response. Some responses may take over a long period of time and that is chronic response. The effects include increased blood supply, increased muscle temperature, increased muscle pliability, lactate accumulation, the micro tears and delayed onset of muscle soreness. Let's study the effects one by one. So the first one is increased blood supply. So while doing an exercise, your muscles are working, right? So there will be increased metabolism or increased metabolic activity in your muscle. So there is an increased demand of oxygen and glucose. How the muscle will meet this need? By increasing the blood supply. So what happens? The blood will rush into these skeletal muscle which are working. So and also there will be dilation or widening of the blood vessel which is attached to this skeletal muscle. So what happens then? The blood vessel can accommodate much amount of blood. So this can meet the need of these working skeletal muscle. And also this rushing blood enables removal of waste products that is accumulate inside the muscles. Second one, increased muscle temperature. So while doing an exercise, you get warmer. Harder you train, the more you will get warmer, right? So how this occurs means the muscles need energy to work out. So when doing an activity, what happens? The fuels like fats and carbohydrates get burned down or get break down through chemical reaction, and as a result heat energy will be released. The amount of heat they release is in direct relation with the amount of work that the muscle perform. Now the third one is increased muscle pliability. The warming of your muscles during an activity makes them more pliable or more flexible. The pliable muscles are less likely to have muscle strains. The increase in muscle pliability helps or enables much more stretchability, and also there will be flexibility in joint. The next one is lactate accumulation. You may have experienced a burning sensation in your muscle while doing a high intense exercise, right? So why it is occurring? It is because of the accumulation of lactic acid. So whenever you are doing a high intense exercise, the muscle will depend on the anaerobic metabolism. As a result, lactic acid will accumulate on your muscles. So if it is removed, if it doesn't remove very quickly by means of blood, what happens? It may impede the muscle contractions also. The next one is micro tears. So it occurs during the time of resistance exercises like weight training. So in these type of exercises, you put your muscle under stress to a point that there will be occurrence of micro tears in your muscles. These micro tears, it can cause swelling in the muscle, and this swelling will put a pressure on the nerve endings, and this results in the pain. So after enough resting period, this tears will be get resolved, and what happens then means that now the muscle become much more strong as it was before. The next one is delayed onset muscle soreness, DOMS. This is a pain which is felt in the muscles in 24 to 48 hours after a strenuous activity or strenuous exercises. So this exercise will result in micro tears, and this micro tears cause swelling in the muscle fibers, and this swelling will put a pressure on the nerve ending, which results in this DOMS, that is a pain. DOMS is often associated with the activities which involve eccentric contractions.